courts now with Tina Blaz, the PIO for the Judiciary of Guam. Thank you for joining us, Tina.
Hi, Tina.
Hi, Chris. Hi, Sabrina. Can you guys hear me?
Yes, loud and clear.
Oh, okay.
Not muted or anything.
No. Easy.
How are you guys?
We're doing good. We just don't want to get you in trouble. So. Don't laugh at anything you're not supposed to laugh at.
Well, let's just get right to it. What
Yeah.
services, let's start with the, in Agana. What services are offered there, and what are the rules to go into the court?
So, as of now, the judiciary has, we've always been open to provide services to the public, and we've expanded some online services, but as of right now, our limited in-person services are being provided for business-related transaction at the Northern Court Satellite.
Okay.
So, I think you guys know, those hours are 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. Monday through Friday. But our latest administrative order, the one that I most recently sent out, that one really sets forth specifically the types of services we've been providing in Agana, like including the remote hearings in cases like the magistrate hearings, bail, pretrial, and probation. And, of course, our Supreme Court appellate arguments are also now being heard via video conferencing. But we're also subject to any executive orders issued by the governor and any other factors that might affect our current status with the pandemic. So we're looking at a phased-in approach, in terms of transitioning back on or about June 5th, as stated, in the latest executive order. So we also recognize, the concerns of the public safety, protecting, constitutional rights of persons, the health of patrons and employees, but it's a situation that's evolving, and we're cognizant of that too.
Mm-hmm. So I can go to the Agana courthouse, and what can I do?
So as of right now,
Can I get a court clearance?
So the court clearances actually,
Oh,
the
in
court
Dedido?
clearances, traffic clearances, for in person, you can get them you can request for them in Dedido, but you can also request for them via email. As of right now, you can send an email to two separate emails for the traffic clearance and the court clearance, and you can be serviced that way if you don't want to go to the Northern Court Satellite to request that. And I can give you guys those emails. So the court clearances emails can be made by sending an email to scog.records@guamcourts.org, and traffic clearances can be made to traffic@guamcourts.org. But of course, with those without internet access, you can make those requests at the Northern Court Satellite.
Mm-hmm. I'm on the Judiciary's website, and it says, in addition to the Judiciary of Guam security searches and screening procedures for entry, the following requirements will now apply. You're subject to a non-contact temperature test?
Yeah.
Okay, and if you could share some of the other...
So there are some clients, that are also being serviced at this time, probation, client services, public guardians. So as of right now, if they're required to come in person, those are the kinds of things that they would be subject to.
Okay.
But as of right now, we're definitely doing everything we can to hear, cases remotely. And we're looking at, the phased-in approach on or about June 5th for a full transition back.
Are you guys doing writ of mandamuses at this time?
Yeah.
Asking for a friend.
Yeah.
I think we're...
Tina, we just wanted to make this easy for you, to trick you, so the next time you call in, that's when we get you. No, but
thanks, Chris.
Yeah, anything else that you want to add in here because people obviously keep calling wondering about court.
Yeah, and I'm also going to send you guys, I'm going to send a more like an FAQ, just a more detailed list of things that I feel that the public and everybody should know. So I'll send that out as well, in addition to this call.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. Thanks a lot, Tina.
Yeah. Anything you want to send our way, please do.
Yes, I will. Thank you.
Okay. Be safe.
Wash your hands.
Thank you, guys.
Okay. All right. Tina Blaz, Judiciary of Guam Public Information Officer. 9:05, Jason Solis.
Yes, may I just make a quick announcement and addendum because again, our friend F. Glenn Lujan, one of the nicest guys you're ever going to meet on Facebook, and he's actually I was citing the fact that before I said he was doing the rosaries when the pandemic first started. He goes, we actually have not stopped doing the rosaries, and he goes, our nightly rosary crusade prayer continues and